The golden thrush, also known as Turdus lherminieri, is one of the most unique and captivating bird species in the world. With its shimmering golden plumage, it catches the eye of all who see it at first glance. Golden thrushes are typically of medium size, with a body length ranging from 23 to 28 centimeters and a weight ranging from 60 to 80 grams. They have slender shapes, small heads, pointed bills, and long tails. Their faces are often bright yellow. Golden thrushes are found in various warm climates, primarily in tropical and subtropical regions across Latin America and the Caribbean. They are often found in tropical forests, evergreen forests, as well as rural and open areas. Their widespread distribution has made them an icon of many warm ecological regions.